Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Come to my channel. How cheaply can we shoot analog film? I went to the Norwegian version of Craigslist called finn.no and I sorted all analog cameras by price. The cheapest one I could find was this Minicam 35 AF, which cost me approximately 80 kroners or around $9 US. It came with a camera, a bag, and a roll of film, which is probably expired and has probably been stored like this in the box, lying in room temperature for God knows how many years. So I thought it would be cool to see what kind of result you could get from a camera like this. And if this is a nice entry point for analog photography if you don't want to spend a lot of money. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in this video. We are going to see if we can get some decent pictures out of this camera. We got the box itself. Inside is just a cardboard holder for the different items. It's very plasticky. Came with a battery that is dead, so I've put a different battery in this one. And this case. Seems like there's a user manual in here as well. So this is the manual. Not gonna read that one. So it came with this film. It's a Farbwelt in German. 400 all-round film. So I'm not sure what kind of film that is. So it looks like some kind of camera you would buy as a set when you're on vacation. Let's load her up and see what's in this box right here. Well, it's a 400 speed film. That's about what I can say about it. Don't really know much more about it. It doesn't load itself. Maybe I have to refer to the manual after all. Okay, wait. Shouldn't there be a button somewhere? What the actual... Open the film door. Open lens cover. Power switch to turn on the camera. Open the film door. Insert the film cartridge by inserting the top end first, which I did. Pull out the film leader until the tip reaches the film loading mark, which is there. And then still says 0. It doesn't wind. Is this gonna be the shortest video of all time? Alright guys, so after a lot of trying and failing and actually reading the manual, the frame counter says 1. It has a function called ME, which stands for multiple exposures. So that would be fun to try out. So yeah, that's how the camera looks, like that. I'm going to shoot the roll it came with, this one. And one roll of HP5. So let's go shoot. He scared me, that one. Scary. Why is horses so scary? Ah. Actually starting to like this camera. It's cool to shoot with. There's a huge turbine. A huge turbine. Cool. Really cool. I'm not gonna waste a frame on it though, I don't think it's gonna turn out. This could be a nice picture. There's a lot of mosquitoes though. That's not cool. Would have been cool to get over on that little island there and take a picture towards me. Let's see if we can get there. But I want the disgusting kind of water in front here. So, fun fact, this here is actually Glomma, which is the longest river in Norway. It's a bit far away actually. The lens is very wide. Oh, Jesus. Almost died there. Let's not fall in. Yeah. What do you think about the pictures? Is it worth the $9 for this camera? I think so. Some of the color images came out kind of blurry. Looks like they're out of focus. This might be due to the film being as old as it is, or it might be my fault during the scanning. Personally, I think the black and white photos turned out the best, and I really like some of them actually. They're pretty sharp. Some of them are pretty sharp, but there are some artifacts showing up on every image, like this white blob over here. But the vignetting is terrible. I could probably fix that in post-production, but I didn't bother. When the subject is backlit, the camera is struggling a bit, and the image becomes all blown out and weird like this one. Other than that, for $9 I think this camera is yeah, it's worth it. You can probably get a better camera if you put in a couple of extra bucks, but I would definitely recommend you buying a cheap point and shoot camera, slapping in a fresh roll, not expired, of 35mm film, and go out and shoot. See if that's something you could be into. So that's it for this video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. If you didn't, smash that dislike button. Tell me what to improve. And yeah, what picture is your favorite? Tell me down in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next one.